So hello. Today we are going to discuss about the topic polymorphism. Polymorphism. So by its name, you can see that poly means many, and morphism means like it contains forms. So there is a thing that is present in many forms. That is called as the polymorphism. In coming to the coding terms, like it is a way of conveying message in different segments. Okay, it is a math. It is a way to convey message. Okay, in different forms. I can convey hello. I can convey hey. I can say namaste. So that are the many other forms by which I can say okay. So that is called as a polymorphism. Okay. So now there are three terms basically are here. There are operator, function overloading, function overriding, riding, and number three is the function hiding. Okay. These are the three terms that are present. Okay. Overloading. Okay. So suppose if I have a class like include bits std using namespace std. Okay, this is my main. Okay, suppose I have a class a. Okay, is the constructor of it. Now I have defined a function like void say. Okay, and it is giving me the output hey. Okay, I can convey the same message by using some parameters like int I and convey here namaste, namaste. Or I can convey the same message by using some other parameters like float f hello. So these are uh, come under the function overloading. Okay, this is come under the function overloading. So we are overloading my function say with different parameters. I can pass int I, then say this say will be run. If I don't pass any parameter, then this say will be run. If I pass float parameter, then this say will be run. Okay. Okay, now I can also do the operator overloading also. Operator overloading. Okay, so if I say that we have a some variable int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. Okay, and I am doing a plus b. So the compiler know about the a plus b. He know the coding of the a plus b because we have provided here the two primitive types. Okay, but if I provide two non-primitive types like cout, we have a class A and class, okay, we have a class A and class A object, okay, obj1, and class B object obj2. Okay, these are the two objects of class A, and what I'm trying to do is this cout me, or I'm trying to make another class object obj3, which will be equal to the uh, new A, and I will pass, or I will simply write here obj1 plus obj2. So okay, now there are two non-primitive types, two non-primitive types. Okay, so how I do the addition of it. So this comes under the operator overloading. We are trying to load the plus operator. Okay, that we know it know that it can do the addition of two primitive types, but it don't know the how to do the addition of two non-primitive types. So this we will see how we do. Okay, now yeah, we have defined a say function and overload that function. Now we will try to overload our plus operator also. Okay, so we have defined a object. Okay, which I will take some variable also here, int a. Okay, and in the constructor also provides is a equal to a. Okay. Now make object. Okay, and on function also I write get a. Okay, so we have made function say and overload say function, and we have created one in variable int a here. Okay, now if I try to get obj slash get a, Okay, it will give me 10. Okay, now I will make another object of class A, obj2 is equal to new a20. Okay, see out obj2 dash get a until. Okay, now I will try to make another object of this class obj3. It will equal to the obj1 plus obj2 and see out obj3 get a. Okay, so you can okay, so you can oh, one more error here. So invalid operate type of a star and a star to a binary operator plus. Okay, so you can see that we are not able to overload this. We are not able to get addition. If I tried, it doesn't know about what I have to do when I get such situation. Okay, so we have a class. Okay, and I'm calling operator plus. Okay, and returning the operator as a class type. So if I come to some kind of approach like how to create, so firstly I can see here that I have to return a type. So return type should be a, and I have to overload the operator plus. Okay, and operator plus. So I can also write it like obj dot some function like add and obj2. It can also be work. So if I write some function like a add, and here I pass the object. Okay, and return this a plus obj a, then okay, I have created a star obj4. obj4 is equal to new a and return obj4. Okay, so I have to change here also obj3 equal to obj dot add obj2. Okay, now you can see that I get the value 10 for the obj, 20 for my second object, and 30 for my third object. But it is not the operator overloading. We are created a function and return that thing. Okay, but now if I change something like I am calling the add function, okay, and passing the argument obj2 to my obj object function add. Okay. Now, if I change it to the operator plus, and this one will be changed to the operator plus, operator plus. Okay. Now, if I don't write this thing, okay, so how we have a object. Okay, so this is working fine. Okay, now I will try to. Okay, so one thing I can do is that I will remove the pointers from here. Okay. Okay. Now I will try to change this. Now I remove the operate pointer. Then I needed to add dot arrow here. Conversion of int star to int. Okay. Now you can see that I have overloaded the operator plus. Okay. So there is some. If I don't use the pointer, then I get this. Okay. So we have return type as a, and we are overloading the operator plus, and we are passing an object of class A. I can also write it like something like obj dot operator plus obj2. So you don't have to signify when you are overloading the operators, and also coming to point like we cannot overload We cannot overload the operator size of and question mark. Okay, we cannot overload these two operators. Rest of the operator we can overload. Okay, so if we are overloading some operator, then we don't have to write the signature like this. We can delete the operator and plus from here, and also all these things. So this is a way to overload 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 the non-primitive type operator. Non-primitive type. Okay, so yeah, we have come to function overloading, operator overloading. Okay, and function overriding and function hiding we will see in the subsequent classes. Okay, so yeah, that's all.